So today in the advanced class we had a model come in. She's 13 years old, that's never modeled before but wants to model. Now the most important thing in this class is to make sure that she feels comfortable. I'm really looking forward to seeing what kind of pictures the students get with this new model.
She looked like she had a lot of fun. For it being her first time, were you nervous? Were you excited?
Oh, you're sad.
Do you want to do it again?
I want to do it again and I feel comfortable.
And what did you think about when they just started playing around?
That was fun.
A lot funner. Was it more exciting? Was it
Fun
more
is not a
relaxed?
word.
Oh, it's okay. Well, they want to bring you back. You really impressed them.
Do you want to come back?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. We'll look forward to seeing you again soon sometime.